So we start with a $1.8 billion budget deficit for the fiscal year of 2012.
In an economy struggling to get back on track, cuts to education aren't helping, says MSU economist Charles Ballard.
You still have substantial budget shortfalls, which are going to be made up with, according to this proposal, with reductions in funding.
Governor Snyder's budget proposal calls for a $470 per pupil cut in the education budget. Districts like Okemos say they will take a major hit if the governor gets what he wants.
Now I think everybody's kind of got that starry, dazed look in the headlights about what can we really do with this, because we've never been at this level before.
School board officials say that they've been anticipating budget cuts for the last couple years, but this year, with Governor Snyder's proposal, it's about 2 times more than they had expected.
We would have to find cuts exceeding $5 million, and getting to $5 million is a very daunting task.
Okemos School Board member Bob Clark says that 90% of its operating costs goes to personnel like teachers and administration, and cutting costs could mean larger class sizes.
There will be very substantial strains on districts.
Bob Bullock knows about these strains. He's worked as an athletic director for Okemos Public Schools for the past 16 years.
Students and parents and children is going to suffer, and that's something we haven't dealt with before.
The Okemos School Board will decide in the spring how they will adjust for budget cuts, which they say are inevitable. But even if the state legislature works out a compromise, there will still likely be cuts, and that doesn't sit well with school officials and parents. For Focal Point, I'm Lindsay Gordon.